1. Go to CouponFollow's Amazon page. G. Visit https www.couponfollow.com. Amazon. 2. Browse available coupons. You'll see a list of active Amazon promo codes and deals, e.g. discounts on categories like electronics, fashion, home goods, etc. Some coupons are automatically applied at checkout, while others require a manual code entry. 3. Click Show Coupon Code or Activate Deal. If a code is hidden, click Show Code to reveal it. For auto-applied deals, click Activate Deal to redirect to Amazon. 4. Copy and use the code on Amazon. Copy the promo code, if applicable. Go to Amazon, add eligible items to your cart, and paste the code at checkout. Alternative ways to find Amazon coupons on CouponFollow. G. Search bar. Type Amazon in CouponFollow's search bar door. Browser extension. Install CouponFollow's free extension to get alerts while shopping on Amazon.